Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the hold to sprint setting in Alchemy Factory. I will begin by opening the Options menu. From there, make sure you're in the Gameplay tab. Look to the hold to sprint setting. Here you can enable or disable it. When disabled, you simply need to tap the sprint button to begin sprinting, and you will not stop, of course. Hold to sprint will require you to hold the sprint button to actually sprint. I recommend setting it to disable. Once you're done, simply press back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.